It's me. I'm back with another video. It's going to be a quick one, but it's going to be very informative, so stick around. Hey guys, it's Altovise with GCH Real, coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia. This video is going to be pretty quick, but it's going to be so informative. Today, we are talking about pre-qualification versus pre-approval. What are they? Are they the same thing? What's the difference? How does it help me? These are all questions you have, right? All right, let's get into it. Pre-qualification is when a lender just takes basic information about you in order to approve you or in order to see how worthy you are of them lending you money to buy a home. So basic information like obviously your name, contact information, and they'll ask you soft questions about your salary and your debt, and they'll ask you about your credit score. And generally some lenders can use that and just say, okay, well, based on that, without seeing any of your documents, we'll be able to pre-qualify you for X amount of dollars. And then you would take that letter and go with your realtor and go look at homes. In this market, it's rare that you'll be able to make an offer or even make an appointment to see a home without some kind of pre-qualification letter or a pre-approval letter. That's going to be very important for you to have. And I know I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again. If you have a pre-qualification letter and you go out looking for homes, that's great to see. Sellers do want to see that. Agents on the other end do want to see that you have spoken to a lender and that you have at least preliminarily gotten pre-qualified or gotten qualified. But when they see a pre-qualification, they know that they have not pulled your documents, and they know that oftentimes they haven't even sent it to an underwriter in order to really process whether or not you're worthy. So there's still apprehension there because the seller and their agent on the other end, they know that you still have a process to go through, and at the end of it, you may be denied for the mortgage. That's a pre-qualification. It's better than nothing, but it's not the full shebang. By the way, let me just stop and say, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do it. What are you waiting for? I'm gonna wait. Yeah, do it now. Right here, or right here. Contrast that with a pre-approval. So a pre-approval takes the pre-qual step like one step further. And basically, they'll ask you those basic information or those basic questions about your information, your income, your financial health. But they'll also ask for the supporting documents to back that up. So they'll ask for your pay stubs, they'll ask for your W-2 forms, they'll ask if you have any other income coming in like child support or disability or pension, whatever it is. They'll ask for supporting documentation for that. They'll ask you if you know your credit score, but they'll also do a soft pull on your credit score, meaning they'll pull it just so that they can see that number, so that to see if your story is corroborated, basically. So that's how they take it a step further. And some lenders even take that a step further and submit all of that to their underwriting team before you even apply for the loan. And so I find that's really helpful, because once underwriting gets it, and if underwriting says, yeah, this is all great, or yeah, this is great, but we need a bit more information. Once they say that that's great and they approve it, you have a 99% chance of making it to the finish line, to the closing table, which is the holy grail, right? So that's a pre-approval. So once you get that pre-approval letter and the seller or the agent on that other end sees that pre-approval letter, you are pretty much like a shoo-in. Like, they know that you've been pre-approved and most likely underwritten, and that there's not going to be a problem, at least with you qualifying for financing in order to buy the home. Agents on the other end or on the selling end and sellers feel a little bit more comfortable with a pre-approval versus a pre-qualification, because again, pre-qualification says, yeah, you know, we've asked some questions, we can probably get them approved, but we have to do a little bit more digging. A pre-approval says, yes, we've asked the questions, we've seen the documentation, we've vetted it out, and they're good. That is the difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval. Many people use those terms interchangeably, but really they're not the same thing. That's it. I told you it was going to be a quick one, but so informative, right? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and do that below. And also keep coming back and watching. We upload 2 new videos a week with great information. I'm here and all the other girls are here, and it's just a big party. So come back. Thank you. Bye.